Welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and I hope you had a great day today. I'm here again to teach you something. And we are back to Bard AI. Bard AI is the artificial intelligence software that is created by Google. As we all know that Google is one of the largest search engines. Make Bard AI as your partner. It's a creator. It creates things. It does everything within a shortest period of time. Today, we want to talk about something that is employee shift scheduler. I know so many people who have been, trying to create different, different commands for Bard AI. In my subsequent videos, I've always been showing different things on how to create them. But most especially, I've been emphasizing on the command language. The command language is very important. Now I want to command Bard AI, and my topic is employee shift scheduler, and I'm commanding it. Create an employee shift scheduling system using Excel and make sure it is easily exported to Excel sheets. Employee shift scheduler is our topic today. Create an employee shift scheduling system using Excel and make sure it is easily exported to Excel sheet. Let me see whether this command will work. Remember guys, I've been telling you that your command is what it responds to. Once your command is not proper, then AI will not listen to you. Look at this. Look at this. It has created us that very, scheduler, but it has given you on how it is supposed to be done. Okay? Now, can we look at maybe, let me edit and say, create an employee shift scheduling system using Excel, Excel, full stop. I want to export, I want it ready to be exported into Excel. For example, I don't want to do this hassle. I want it created and maybe to give us a real one without me going to Excel and then creating again. Let me see what to do. I have edited it once again. Guys, you can edit the headline and then input it for it to see whether it can, work on what you have asked it. Still at this point, it's not drawing the graphs. Okay? Where did we go wrong? Let's do this. I want it ready to be exported into Excel. Full stop. Please draw the graphs as well. Let's see. Graphs as well. We are changing the command, and every command we change, remember, it communicates. Okay? Let's see. Please. Every command you make, it communicates. Let's see how this is going to be doing. Remember, the command language is very important. What you give AI is what it will give you. And in this case, we are trying to twist it. It says, unfortunately, I cannot directly create and export Excel files. However, I can guide you through the process of building an employee shift scheduling system in Excel, including creating graphs for visualization, isn't it? Now, let's go back, guys. Let's go back and see. They gave us here what to do. Step 1. If I copied this information, okay? If I copied this information and I got this information, I put it down here, okay? And I say full stop and say create the Excel sheet for me using the above. Let's move. Let me see whether it will actually listen to my command. It has created the template in its own template form, but I'm commanding it to make it. Unfortunately, I cannot directly create Excel files. Okay, it is saying Excel files. Remember, it is viewing my command as the Excel file, isn't it? It is viewing it as the Excel file. And here I'm not saying create an Excel file. Let's change the command. Please design the Excel sheet using the above message. Let's see how I have changed my command. Look, I have changed the command by saying please design the Excel sheet using the above information, or message above information. Let me see whether it will design it. Here I'm trying to show you that our command is very, very important. It says, unfortunately, I can't directly create or edit Excel files. However, I can provide you with detailed design of the Excel sheet based on the information you gave me. You can then use this design to create the Excel sheet in Excel. Create the Excel sheet. I am going to disturb it again. Guys, I am just here sheet design. Okay, I am getting the information as well and saying we must create the sheet design. Here you are learning where am I going wrong. We are learning together, and you see how we can still keep twisting and get the line information. Create an Excel sheet template using this information. Right here, let's see whether it will respect this as well. You see, AI still, you see, how long have I taken to command it to get what I want? By change. This is what I was looking for. But I took you through whatever I'm taking you through to see that you may come on AI, bad AI, and you're frustrated and you end up running away. So when you're frustrated, then you feel that AI is not doing work for you. It says, unfortunately, I cannot directly create Excel files. However, I can provide you with a complete Excel sheet template based on your detailed instructions, including formatting and formulas. Simply copy and paste the following into the new Excel sheet. You see what it did? This is what I wanted bad AI to do for me. But of course, it kept on dilly-dallying here and there, here and there, here and there, because it was not accepting my command, because my command was not clear and straight to what it is supposed to do. So here we are learning on how to twist commands, on how to use different commands, and how not to give up, because remember, AI uses your command language. So let's look at sheet 1. It created the sheet 1. I insisted, and it made sure by twisting my command. It did not refuse, but the challenge was me who was asking the AI. Look at this. We're doing the export. Now we're exporting the sheet 1. Remember, this is sheet 1. We're exporting. Let's open up the sheets and we see how the sheets are. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. Of course, the information is too much. Of course, and now when you get here, you are supposed to align whatever you want. I think this has got a little bit of corrupted information. Maybe we'll have to redo it again and see at the time of export. Did it have too much information? Let's try to export sheet 2. Did it have too much information and aligning it in the Excel sheet? Because remember, I forced it to do it. I forced it to do it. Okay, this is it. Now, what happens is that here it gives you each and everything that you need, and then dropping it to the Excel sheet, because remember, I have been forcing it to give me what I want, and through that they managed to do whatever they did. But now they're designing they have failed a little bit on designing. However, you can arrange all this. You well know that you can have the capacity to arrange all this. Let me see whether we can arrange something. Okay, let me see whether we can arrange something and then draw it back to yourself. You see, we have all our information here because I've created it in under one row. Okay, when you get one under one row, then you are able to design anything that you want within this information. Let's get running. Let's get to here on top. You all know that this is easy. You can look at how best I am trying to arrange this. So the arrangement is simple than you going in to create. You see, you're getting your information very, very well. Okay, so when you do this and you're able to design, guys, I am not an expert in designing Excel, but you can always go in and design and align your information very, very, very well. And this is the example of what they created for us. When we go back here, the sheet excuse me. Now the sheet 3, I want to look at the sheet 3 as well. Excuse me. Sheet 3 on how they arranged this sheet. Okay, this is how the shifts are arranged. Let's see how the information has come. Now when you get all this information, means that you are supposed to arrange this information in your own way. And when you arrange it in your own way, then you're able to get the right information that you need in a perfect alignment. So guys, go in and make sure you organize yourself with the kind of information that you need. Or you can also draw the drop, or maybe choose to have different borders as you'd request for the borders, or you create them through here, or anything that really you'd want to use in this way. So thank you so much, guys. You can see that still with my twist of chat of Bard AI, I am able to get whatever I want. And the other guidance is also here. The formatting, the sheet and column C, select column C2, all these are here for you to go and organize your Excel sheet with all the information that you need. So thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure, and thank you so much for taking time to listen and watch whatever I do, in most especially in making sure that I train you on how really to deeply go in and get the information from Bard AI. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.